Hey, what's up everyone? It's Nizam Harjo here from imhere.com, and in this quick video I just want to show you a newly launched software by Sam Becker, and it's called Run a Webinar. Now there are two things that I want to highlight here. I do have a demo on my left bar here, but I just want to show you, I just want to highlight to you the two features that I want to talk about. Now the first thing is this Run a Webinar is hosted in Amazon server. So which means it doesn't lag, it doesn't slow down as more and more people were to join your webinars. So imagine if you were to use Google Hangout, and if you have small groups, then it's okay, that's fine. But if you have like 50 people, if you have 100 people, or even thousands of people join your webinar simultaneously, and it will slow down if you were to use Google Hangout. So that's why people are using a paid webinar software. But the thing now is, compared to other famous or popular webinar softwares, Run a Webinar, now the next one that I want to talk about is it doesn't have any monthly fees. So I'm just going to quickly show you this table here. If you were to see the comparison between Run a Webinar and GoToWebinar, is that you just have to pay for a lifetime fee. You don't have to pay for a monthly fee. Okay, whereas for GoToWebinar, then you have to pay for a monthly fee. Okay, and in fact, if you don't have any landing page creator, landing page builder, you can create your landing page to get people to register to your webinar within the software itself. Okay, within Run a Webinar itself. Now, this software runs both on Mac and PC, and I'm just going to quickly show you the interface here. As you can see, this is the dashboard, the landing page for this software. I'm just going to click. You see, it's very user friendly. If I want to create a new webinar, I just click on the right button here, and you can even check the recording box, because most of the time people tend to forget to record their videos, their webinars. Okay, so in order for us to not to forget to record our webinars when our webinar starts, then we can check the recording box prior to starting our webinar, so we don't have problems. You know, we might be forgetting it. So this is a very good feature to me, which doesn't have in other webinar softwares. So imagine if I were to click, okay, the webinar name. So this is the title as an example. So I just click on Save Webinar. So once I save the webinar, I just click on the various templates. As you can see here, if I were to click on these templates right here, I just click on this template and Next tab, and it automatically opens the editor for this template. So I can change my logo, I can change anything I want here. So I can just change the headline. It's very responsive. It will show immediately if I were to change how to make, let's say, $1,000. So automatically the left hand side here will change. As you can see, anything here is very responsive. I can change immediately and see the outcome immediately. So I don't have to go to other pages. I don't have to click save or refresh in order to look at the changes. Okay, I can just see the changes right away. And I can even change the video. I just type in the YouTube URL, and it will automatically change this video right here. And I can even add my social media buttons. There are 3 social medias right here. I can just add in my Facebook fan page, and it will automatically show my Facebook link, the Twitter link, as well as Google+. Okay, I can just put in my URL and it will show. So imagine if someone were to register to your webinar, then they can also click on your social media, and you can build your followers or your fans even from this registration, this webinar registration page. Okay, and by default you will have a default thank you page which says okay, congratulations and thank you for your interest in all that. But if you want to have your custom landing page whereby you want to even offer some freebies as a means of saying thank you for joining your webinar, then you can actually put in your own custom URL here, your custom thank you page here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Next tab. So this is where I put my name. So let's say I put Nizam, and I put Nizam at imhere.com, and now these 4 boxes here are required field. So you need to type in something in order for you to be able to finish the webinar creation, your webinar registration creation. So you just you can change the date here. You can type in your webinar dates. So I'm just gonna, let's say, type in, let's say 6th of April. Okay, so you just click on finish. Then after that, there you go. So you will have your own webinar. So if you were to click, let's say, register link, then it goes to your webinar link. And this is where you can get the links to share with your email subscribers, or even to put in your social media platforms, whereby you can get people to see your registration page. You can get them to view your videos on why they should attend your webinars and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the bonuses right here. So if you were to purchase through my link right below, now I have 10 bonuses. I'm just going to talk about it quickly. Now the first one is actually a email how-to videos. This is a training videos showing you how you can create a better relationship with your email subscribers, how you can get more and more subscribers, email them effectively, how you can do soft selling, hard selling effectively. Now the second bonuses is actually a traffic power pack. Now, if you don't have any lead magnets, if you don't have any freebies to offer, and you don't know the kind of topic that you want to talk about in your webinar, now what you can do is, with bonus 2, this can be your lead magnets. These 3 videos, you can like create a cover, and you can offer them as your lead magnet, so that they will give their email address in return to your lead magnet that you offer to them. Now, the bonus 3, hot new traffic source, this is where you can take these 3 videos and you can learn from these 3 videos, and it can be your webinar topic, whereby you can create a hot new traffic source. You can create something like how to get hot new traffic source to build your income, your online income fast. So that could be an example that you can actually try to tweak around and create this topic, and you can even add into your content. But within these 3 videos itself, you can actually create a quick webinar, let's say a half an hour webinar, where you can show to them how they can get hot new traffic source. And at the end of the day, you might want to sell something. You will want to sell something at the end of the webinars. So these are the product that you can use. You can actually rebrand and reuse the product itself. You can create your own products with these 6 videos, and you can get 100% profit yourself. Okay, so these 6 videos is something that you can offer to them, something that you can sell at $27 or $47 or even $97, and you can sell to them. You can rebrand it and get 100% profit. Okay, now the next bonus is webinar conversion formula. Now this alone is by Sam Becker. He is gonna conduct a webinar, and he will show to you his very own webinar conversions formula, and he will share with you his templates for writing an effective webinar, and 14 pages of pure content to help you plan and run successful webinars. So within this webinar itself, Sam is gonna conduct a live webinar, and you can ask him immediately. Whenever you have any inquiries, you have any questions, you can ask him live. Okay, and bonus number 6 is actually a WordPress email countdown plugin. Okay, so you can have your email with a scarcity timer instead of your website or your landing page. Now the next bonus is actually a WordPress easy lead. Now if you don't have any opt-in page creator, opt-in page builder, you can easily download this plugins and install these plugins in your WordPress, and you can create a various different landing page for your websites, for your lead magnets, and you can choose out of 11 awesome different backgrounds. You can choose from different styles of your opt-ins, and this is the plugins that you can use immediately if you were to purchase from my link. Now the next bonus is actually a CTA Revealer plugin. Now this is also another WordPress plugin whereby you can customize your button. You can create your promotion buttons, your coupon code buttons. You can customize them, and you can just copy and paste the code, the shortcode buttons, which is a very, very dynamic buttons. So you won't use like a typical graphic buttons that says like get instant access and stuff like that. You can change the call to action message that you want whenever you want. Okay, now the next bonus, which is bonus number 9, this is actually a graphics black box. You will have immediate access to 267 brand new and original graphics for your websites. Okay, including banners, headers, and so much more. Okay, and you will have access to the raw files itself, which is the PSD, and you will have the PNG version as well as JPEG. Okay, so you can cut the cost of hiring expensive designers to get your banner design. Okay, now bonus number 10 is actually a private Facebook group, and this is where I'll discuss a field-proof online strategies that works. So if you have any questions, if you have anything that you would want to inquire, then you can just post your inquiries within this group, and I will get back to you. And I even share every now and then field-proof strategies. And whatever strategies that I've learned, I mean, not something that I got it for free, something that I learned from paid products. And I'll share with you what I've learned. If you would want to know something about certain things, I'll try my best to help you out within this Facebook group. So I think that's all for now. So if you were to click through my link, if you were to purchase through my link, then please don't forget to drop me an email with your receipt, and I will send to you all these bonuses as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching my review video, and have a good day.